The supermarket's right here. The supermarket's right there. At least here I'll be in the shade.
Yeah, that's fine. Supermarket, when you exit the supermarket into the mall, the peanut those places there,
Yeah.
you can come out right there or over here.
Yeah, you know where you always got me up there. Mr. Shade. You know where you always got me up when you parked the motorcycle?
Yeah, I'm not going that far.
Oh, just
The
over
peanut guy's
here.
right here, right outside the supermarket.
Okay.
So just come back first exit. Give me the helmet, hon. Give me the helmet. They won't let you in there. They won't let you